Hi everyone, happy Wednesday. Just got back from Women's Fellowship and I really love it. I love going to there, sharing with some sweet ladies. Right now I'm waiting to go into my doctor's office. I have to go see a nutritionist, and I just wanted to share that 2025 was a very difficult year. It's when we lost our house and all of us had to separate. I remember our last Christmas at the house, which was very beautiful. But now we don't have that home base anymore. And I'm just wondering what it's going to be like this holiday. But other than that, I'm just grateful for the day. 2025 was a very challenging, devastating year for our family, but I'm hoping things get better. Now I see that fall's coming to the northern part of the state, and it's a good thing I got things to do to keep me busy. I'm just thankful to be alive, even though there's like a lot of challenges and a lot of obstacles to cross. I have trust in God, and right now I need to take care of my health, and that's what I'm gonna do, to take care of me and my health, and it's gonna be between me and God. And I just want to share that. It's gloomy out, but I feel love in my heart, and I just want to wish everybody a blessed life, and I thank God for the things that I have and not the things that I don't have. Anyways, bless you all. Have a blessed Wednesday, and I will talk to everybody later. Ciao. Bye-bye.